Good morning from the cow field. I am just hoping that the cows have gone, because usually they're in this field and it's a really nice field, but it says from April to October, so fingers crossed they're gone, because if they're not gone and you see me running across the field with cows chasing me, then, well, you know. Oh, it's a lovely autumn gloomy. I gave you a sunny day the other day. This morning is a bit gloom and it's about to rain, but it is lovely, really fantastic. I just find it so calming, you know, so lovely and calming. I mean, I went out yesterday early morning and I was wearing the wrong jacket. It was pouring with rain and I was like, why? Do you ever do that? And you're like, you're not wearing the right gear. I hate when I'm not wearing the right gear. So now it's like big coat every day regardless, because it's raining. But let me know if you spot a cow, okay? There's a cow behind me. Yeah? He's behind you. I think it's about to downpour and I'm only in the middle of the field. That was a good idea, wasn't it, Shaz? Let's go down here, she said. It'll be fun, she said. Oh dear. Oh dear. Right, I'm going to carry on going down this way. I'll get me back to the car park, and I think that'll be it for this morning. Does anyone else's dog pester them to go out in the morning, like straight away? Because he won't go to the toilet at home, so I have to take him out. But he just like harangues me. Oh dear. But once I'm out, I'm like, oh, this is fantastic, you know? Okay, there's lots of cow pats. But look, you know what I'm saying about cows? They suddenly come out of nowhere. Yeah, and I am scared of them. They're curious creatures. Oh, where's he coming? Right, at my mum's for a coffee. And we have filter coffee here, so I'm going to show you how we do that. I think we're going to go to Garson Farm and look at the Christmas decorations. So that's what we're going to do. Right, me and Sissy going to Garson's Farm. Going to show you some of the Christmas decks, because, you know, it's a festive thing to do, isn't it? And they've got really nice, a nice theme. It's like garden theme. So we'll show you when we get in. Christmas bits. Christmas
Look at this, a week of socks.
Oh,
that's
nice.
Really good.
Rewilding. Sort of a fun thing. Look at these. Botanical garden. Cute. Sweet, isn't it?
I don't know if I should get one for mum.
Yes, we do. Oh, look at that. Rose garden. Oh my god, look at these. They're so nice. Cottage garden. This is very cute. I mean, look at these. Oh my god, that is so sweet. All like gingerbready. Oh my god, that's so cute. Oh, I love it. Look at this. I think I'm torn between this theme and the other one I'm going to show you now. These gingerbread houses. Oh my god, they're so cute. Oh, look at this one. Wow. one. This is my least favourite. She's not really into this one. Although the telephone box is quite small. My absolute favourite one. Absolute favourite. I think this is going to be my theme. Look at these. Look at these little animals. Oh my gosh, look at this snow globe. Which is all white, wintry. That's quite cute, isn't it?